Hey everyone, I hope all is well. This is going to be a setup guide for Maize. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions, concerns, or comments. I'll put all links in the description. So let's get started by going to cobmin.io, clicking on the Maize blog, and then there's going to be this link right here that will take us to the GitHub. The README has a lot of great information, but we're going to just go straight into it by clicking on the releases section and then downloading our necessary package. After download, we will be extracting. I'm just going to save it here in the download section, but you can place it in a more convenient spot if you need. And now we're going to drill down into the Maize folder where we're going to edit the two app settings files. We're going to start with the mainnet app settings file, and what we're going to be doing is replacing some values inside of this file. For Maize, you can use either a GameStop or MetaMask wallet. Unfortunately, you cannot use a Loopring wallet. What we're going to do is, where we're going to get all these values from is going to be from loopring.io and then also from the wallet itself. So in Loopring, we're going to launch the app and unlock. And we're going to go to the security tab, going to export account. And this is a note to everyone, please do not share these keys with anyone. These are private keys. If anyone obtains them, then they will be able to take anything from your wallet. I'm showing you here because this is a burner wallet just for demonstration purposes. So now that we've unlocked it, we can put in the necessary information. So we're going to grab the address, put it in here where it says Loopring address, the account ID, Loopring account ID, and then we have this value here, the API key, going into the Loopring API key, and at the bottom, the private key is going to go just below it here, the Loopring private key. You'll notice we have one more, it's the MM or GME private key. This you're going to get from the wallet itself. This is the layer 1 key. Click on this ellipses, account details, export private key. Type in our password. Again, do not share this with anyone, and replace the value here. And then that's it. That's all you have to do. You have the application set up ready to go now for the mainnet. But if you want to use the testnet, it's the same concept. Note that the values are going to be different, so you're going to have to do everything that I just did on the testnet. So up here you can see we're on the Ethereum mainnet. Goerli is going to be the testnet that this utilizes. You can see that up here. So we're going to click on this now. And you'll notice it is asking us to sign in again, which we'll do. And it's the exact same concept. Some values will be the same, but others won't. So I just make sure to do them all again. So same concept, we're going to be grabbing the Loopring address, account ID, API key, and then the private key. And then same thing here. Account details, export password, and putting that in here, MM or GME private key. And once we save that, we're good to go. So right now we can access the mainnet or the testnet within Maize. So we can launch the application, click on more info here, and as long as you trust me, you can hit run away anyway. And now we have the application ready to go. So the first question it's going to ask you is if you want the mainnet or testnet. I'm going to type in mainnet and we are ready to go. Up here at the top, it does signify which one you're using. I mean, it shows there as well, but just so you know where you're at all times. yeah, so that's the short and sweet how to set up Maize application. And now that you've set this up, you're able to view analytics on and airdrop your NFTs in crypto. So again, reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns, or comments. And do note that if you do want to use this application, you must own the Maize origin logo. So be sure to check that out on Loop Exchange. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Cheers.